A Pleasant Day panelist, co-researchers, and active members and consultants of EdCore. I'm Eunice Joy Ailariosa from the University of Mindanao, Davao City, Philippines. Allow me to present my research study entitled Empowerment, Well-Being, and Interpersonal Relationship, a structural equation model on job satisfaction among public elementary school teachers, with my co-author, Dr. Lyndon A. Kienes. Teachers' job satisfaction faces challenges in education, with many educators experiencing stress and burnout due to multiple reasons. The primary factors contributing to their dissatisfaction include limited resources and preparation time, stunted professional growth, and minimal involvement in policy decisions. With heavy workloads and issues of colleagues and parents, and challenging students' behaviors. These stressors can lead to decreased performance and increased professional turnover. Simply focusing on recruitment without addressing workplace conditions and professional support fails to solve the fundamental issues affecting teacher retention and satisfaction. Teachers' job satisfaction has become a critical focus in educational research due to its significant impact on various outcomes, including teacher retention, performance, and student learning, leading to policy reforms for teachers to address growing teacher shortages and attrition. The research objectives of this study to determine the level of teacher empowerment across six dimensions: professional growth, status, self-efficacy, autonomy, impact, and decision making. To ascertain the level of teacher well-being with three indicators: workload, organizational, and student interaction. To measure the quality of interpersonal relationships based on four factors: interpersonal regard, mutual acceptance and upliftment, mutual trust, and workplace harmony. And to ascertain the level of teacher job satisfaction across nine facets: pay, promotion, supervision, benefits, rewards, conditions, colleagues, work duties, and communication. To analyze the relationships between empowerment, well-being, interpersonal relationships, and job satisfaction. To determine the best fit model for teacher job satisfaction in the context of empowerment, well-being, and interpersonal relationships. This study builds on three theories. First, self-determination theory, which looks at the teacher's motivation. Second, structural empowerment theory focuses on organizational structure. And last, social exchange theory that explores workplace relationships. The respondents of the study are 400 randomly selected public elementary school teachers from Region 12, Philippines, distributed across General Santos City, 99 teachers, Corona del City, 32 teachers, South Cotabato, 148 teachers, and Sarangani Province, 121 teachers. Sample size was determined using the Rosov sample size calculator. Participants were permanent full-time teachers, teacher 1 to 3 and master teacher 1 to 4, excluding head teachers, retired resigned teachers, private school teachers, and those on leave. Participation was voluntary with withdrawal options. First, the Teacher Empowerment Questionnaire by Zazan Baligizadi and Elnas Guldus 2016, which developed by Short and Reinhardt in 1992 with six indicators. Second, Teacher Well-Being Questionnaire was adapted from the research work of Colley et al. 2015 with three indicators. This interpersonal relationship questionnaire adapted from the research study of Singh and Agarwal 2022 with three indicators. And lastly, the job satisfaction survey adapted from the research study of Williams RD 2009 with nine indicators. The research instrument was validated by the six experts who rated it 4.1, indicating excellent content validity. Following revisions based on the expert feedback, a pilot test was conducted and a Cronbach's alpha used to assess item consistency. Quantitative descriptive correlational research design was employed in this study to examine relationships between teacher empowerment, well-being, interpersonal relationships, and job satisfaction. After obtaining ethical approvals, data was collected via surveys and analyzed using descriptive statistics, the mean person hour correlation, regression analysis, and the structural equation model fit indices, while maintaining the research ethical standards. For the results and discussion, teachers' empowerment has a weighted mean of 4.32 with a standard deviation of 0.463 with a descriptive equivalent of very high. It means that the respondents have strong overall empowerment across various indicators. Teachers' well-being has a weighted mean of 4.32 with a standard deviation of 0.484 and with a descriptive equivalent of very high, indicating that the respondents experience positive life satisfaction across multiple areas. Teachers' interpersonal relationships has a weighted mean of 4.21 with a standard deviation of 0.541 with a descriptive equivalent of very high. It means that the respondents have positive interpersonal relationships, indicating strong collaborative bonds and mutual respect among teachers. Lastly, teachers' job satisfaction has a weighted mean of 4.14 with a standard deviation of 0.526 with a descriptive equivalent of high. This means that the respondents have high job satisfaction, indicating a solid connection to their work and contentment with their professional roles. For the correlation between teacher empowerment and job satisfaction, the R value of 0.676 with a p-value of less than 0.05 signified the rejection of the null hypothesis. It means a positive relationship between teachers' empowerment and their overall job satisfaction. This further means that empowerment is correlated with job satisfaction. For the correlation between teacher well-being and job satisfaction, the R value is 0.749 with a p-value of less than 0.05, signify the rejection of the null hypothesis. It means significant positive relationship between teachers' overall well-being and their job satisfaction, indicating the importance of supporting teachers' holistic well-being to foster greater job satisfaction. This further means that the well-being is correlated with the job satisfaction. For the correlation between interpersonal relationships and job satisfaction, the overall R value of 0.771 with a p-value of less than 0.05 signified the rejection of the null hypothesis. It means a significant positive relationship between interpersonal relationships and job satisfaction. This further means that interpersonal relationship is correlated with job satisfaction. Summary of goodness of fit of the three structural equation models. Among the three structural equation model tested, Model 3 exhibited the strongest fit indices, establishing it as the most reliable representation of the relationships between the teacher empowerment, well-being, interpersonal relationships, and job satisfaction. The best fit model. Among all variables studied, 8 key factors emerged as significant predictors of teacher outcomes: autonomy and impact in decision making, organizational and student interaction aspects of well being, interpersonal regard and trust in relationships, and benefits and rewards for job satisfaction. In conclusion, teachers demonstrate a very high level of empowerment, well-being, and interpersonal relationships, while their job satisfaction is high. Teachers' job satisfaction of public elementary school teachers in Region 12 was shown to be significantly correlated with empowerment, well-being, and interpersonal relationships. Model 3 proved to be the most effective framework for understanding teachers' job satisfaction, meeting all the statistical requirements and demonstrating how various factors collectively influence teachers' quality of life. Based on the results, the following recommendations were made. The Department of Education may enhance teacher satisfaction by empowering teachers with decision making, supporting their well being through flexible schedules, managing workloads, and building professional relationships through mentorship and collaboration. School leaders may improve teacher satisfaction through Slack sessions that focus on empowerment, well being, and interpersonal relationships. Teachers may boost their job satisfaction by participating in professional development, managing work-life balance, and building relationships. Future researchers can use this study as reference while exploring similar factors and expand on its model. And these are the references of my study. Thank you and God bless everyone.